Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making earrings using this empty cracker box. You never know, trash can be treasure. I'm also using dimensional magic for the first time and I kind of liked it. In addition to these things, I'm also going to use pearls, rhinestones, etc. etc. So let's get started. First, I straightened up the box and drew different size circles and cut them out. To make the earring stronger, I used 4 circles for a pair, that means 2 circles for each earring. I cut the eye pins to the size and made sure both of them are of same size. I stuck the eye pin with masking tape, but you also can use glue gun here. While sticking the eye pin, make sure that you leave some room on top of it so we can punch a hole for the earring hook. If you don't have a hole maker, you can always use needle instead. I use dimensional magic because first it gives some body to the surface and also gives a glass-like or a plastic-like look to the surface, and I liked it. Dried dimensional magic does feel like glass or plastic while painting. I did apply dimensional magic twice. You can use it just once if you want to. I didn't have jewelry making pliers, so I just used whichever I had at home and it worked just fine for me. I didn't like the look of red dots really, so I stuck rhinestones on them instead. And here's my first pair of earrings ready. For my second pair of earrings as well, I stuck some circles together as shown. The steps for making all 5 pairs of earrings are almost the same. And still, the look of every earring is different. Isn't that great? After sticking rhinestone, I did apply dimensional magic around it for this earring as well. I just didn't show it in the video. As I said, the steps for making every pair of earring are almost the same. Only for this pair of earrings, I haven't used any pearls, I just used rhinestones. Since the size of this pair of earrings is smaller, I think it's suitable for young girls as well. And here's the pair of cute little earrings is ready. And now we'll start with the third pair of earrings. This third earring is made up of one small and one large circle. Although I used red and green, you can always use colors of your choice, of course. The flower and the circle look little distorted because in order to show what I'm painting in the camera, I had to hold my hands away from my body and not rest them on the table while drawing, and that's a little difficult for me. For this pair of earrings, I used dimensional magic only once because I didn't want these circles to be too thick because they're going to overlap. You'll see in a bit. In this step, I strung 3 jump rings into one another, and on the top jump ring I attached the hook, and on the bottom jump ring I attached the red circle. I'm explaining because the pieces are so small, so in case if there is any confusion, it would be cleared. And for the finishing touch, I stuck rhinestone right in the middle. And here's the third pair of earrings ready. If you don't find dimensional magic where you live, that's okay. You can use UV resin. And if you don't want to use that either, you can apply 2 or 3 or 4 even layers of varnish. Your jewelry will still look very shiny. For this pair of earrings, I have used eye pin instead of ball head pin just for this one time, and strung beads in it, made a loop and attached it to the golden circle. And here's our golden pair of earrings is ready. For this last earring, I have resorted again to black and silver combination because I think nothing beats this combination. For this pair of earrings, I have made 5 holes on one side of the circle, which would be the bottom of the earrings, and 1 hole on the top side of the earrings, of course. I hope you are liking the earrings. Please let me know which one is your favorite and if you're going to try any one of these. Let me also tell you that in spite of using pearls and rhinestones, these earrings are so lightweight that they won't hurt your ears at all. For this pair of earrings as well, I have attached a pearl in front of the earrings just the way I did for green and red earrings. And here's our pair of beautiful fifth earrings. I hope you like the idea of today's video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.